it's your girl Kimberlyn. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a little get ready with me for date night. Me and my husband, we're gonna go out tonight. As y'all can already see, the makeup look right here. Nothing too extreme. The outfit is really casual. It is cold in Louisiana, so I am wearing a long sleeve bodysuit and some jeans, just really simple. This video is also sponsored by Dossier. The two fragrances that I got from them are Ambery Vanilla and Floral Sandalwood. So this is straight from the brand Dossier itself. Let me tell you guys a little bit about them. It says that their mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. I have been using both of these fragrances. They smell so high quality. I couldn't even believe the price of these on their website. They also offer candles. Right now, my absolute favorite is Floral Sandalwood, which is going to be the one I'm wearing out tonight with my husband. Ambery Vanilla also smells amazing. The smell lasts all day long whenever you put it on, so you don't have to keep on respraying it. And the packaging that these came in was also really good quality. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, all which are true. So thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump straight into this look. So y'all already know the vibes. If y'all have watched any of my makeup videos in the past, I like to keep it really simple. I feel like it's been so long since I sat down and did my makeup on camera. My eyebrows have gotten a little bit thicker, so I'm not filling them in too crazy. So how have y'all all been? I have not posted a video in a couple of months dealing with, being a first-time mom. I had to kind of take a step back because my baby went from baby to toddler so quick. He's 1 now and he is into everything, so I haven't had the chance to actually just sit down and make a vlog. I honestly wouldn't have it any other way though. Like my life now after having a kid, I feel like there's just so much more purpose. I'm just so much more motivated to do things like for him and with him, but in real time. I still use all the same products that I've been using for years. These are like my staple products. A little bit of concealer. I put on like a lot, but it always blends out really, really well. So it doesn't look like I put on a lot after blending. And I do this step to even out the skin tone over my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Now for shadow, I'm using a nude shadow. Next, I'm gonna move on to foundation. So yeah, my lipstick is really gonna be the most bold part of this whole look tonight. Other than that, maybe some blush. Lately, minimalist everything has been so good for like me and parenting. Like it's chopped down so much time for everything. Like I've been wearing more buns. I have naturally curly hair. Bun life, like it's quick, it's easy. Flip flops, not heels, like so much minimal stuff. First I'm gonna conceal and then I'm gonna contour. So last night, I cut my Yorkie's hair for the first time. He got banned from PetSmart because he gets so aggressive. And he's been that way for years. I think this time they finally banned him. So I had to find like a different groomers to bring him to. I decided to go on ahead and cut it myself with like a dog trimmer. It took me forever. I can understand why he got banned because he does not like anyone trimming his face. I had to give him like 100 treats and trim while giving him treats, like to distract him. Now he's so cute. His hair had grown out so much. As simple as your look may be, once you conceal and contour, it takes it to a whole nother level. Go ahead and set that. You're on the medium contour. Put a little setting powder back on top of that. Next, I'm going to be going in with some blush, one of my favorite cream blushes, and then I'm going to put a powder blush on top of it. Now some powder blush on top of this to set this in place. Highlighter is also really important whenever it comes to transforming your look. I'm gonna set this on place and then I'm gonna do my mascara and my lips. And that's why I don't wear false lashes. 1, they're way too hard to put on. 2, if you layer on enough mascara, you'll get a similar effect. And for lipstick, I think I'm gonna go with this brown from Maloney. I love it. Now for my hair. This is my real hair. Blow dried it out, put it in a bun. I think I'm gonna do a side part. I still like to rock my curly hair, but every once in a while I do switch it up. I'm gonna use my brush blow dryer to blow it out and put it in like a bun and then wear little wavy styles like this. Super easy. Last thing that I'm gonna do is add some Dossier perfume. This one is in Floral Sandalwood. Thanks again, Dossier, for sponsoring this video. High quality perfume at such an affordable price. It smells grown, sexy, not too overbearing. And now for my outfit. For my outfit, I'm wearing a black bodysuit, some denim jeans, a pair of black boots, and a handbag. Can you put up this fire that burns inside of me before I lose it and go out of my mind? Oh, I hope that you're prepared. Don't you dare start acting scared. That's all that I got for this Get Ready With Me video. Thanks again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. If you guys have any requests for any future content, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.